Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
What else do you say? Smell my feet?
Smell my feet.
Oh, look who's coming. There's someone at the door.
Trick or treat.
Ooh.
Trick or treat.
Oh, look at you.
Damn. Trick or treat. Look at Come on, people.
The flashlight stays, buddy. Libby, flick the light on.
I'm getting, thank you. I'm getting started.
You're welcome. Oh, there we go. Hey guys, let me get you all. Oh, Caroline, your outfit is kind of cute. Oh my goodness. Are you a gymnastics star? Wow. Oh, and there's a little one, a little princess.
No, it's a witch.
Oh, a witch. Oh, I'm sorry. Whoa. And then we got the dirt bike rider. What happened to your helmet, dirt bike rider? Ah, there's somebody scary here with a sword. Oh, that's Trent, of course. Hey, Mary Beth. Okay, Mary Beth, you know, husband's out of town. I don't know where he put the camera, and my mother-in-law is like, make sure you get pictures. I have my kids dispersed all over and no camera.
Come on.
You know what? Let's wait. Isabel's coming, guys.
Oh.
It's a great thing.
Nicholas. Does Nicholas have a bag?
You must be a model. Trent. You poser? You're a poser. Okay. Oh, goodness. See you. Paul, you're so scary. Ah! Oh, that's your record. Oh, there. Aww.
Tell Marianne trick or treat. Put your say real loud. Say trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
You say it? Say real loud.
Trick or treat. Say hi. Can you say
Say
hi?
real
Miss Marianne?
loud.
Say hi. Hi.
Oh, we haven't gotten it yet.
One piece of candy and say thank you.
What do you want?
Hang on. I got something for
For little ones?
these are for people we know. Oh, you have them in the thing. Okay, take
we
them.
go.
Whatever.
Take these, Grayson. Mom likes these. Here, looky, sweetie.
Trick or treat.
Take that. Hey, look at y'all.
Trick or treat.
Say thank you real loud.
Hey, say thank you.
Say thank
Oh,
you.
and wave bye-bye.
Tell her thank you.
Can you wave bye-bye?
No, say
Oh,
thank
we have
you.
Patrick.
Okay.
Hey. And what are you? Are you
Hey,
a
Ryan.
A Power Ranger.
Power Ranger? I was just going to say that.